Hi everyone, this is Amy with My Plant Passion. Today we are going to talk about the Alocasia Dragon Scale and how to take care of it. And so these are, first and foremost, these are not for beginners. These are also poisonous. They are toxic to people, animals, like dogs and cats, and humans. Also, these are, as you can see, the leaves, they look like dragon scales. And they're really unique looking. And this one here is a new leaf. When it first started coming on, it was all kind of rolled up. And then it just produced this gorgeous green leaf. And sometimes you'll notice that when one is coming on, it'll use more water. And you may notice another one dying off. That's okay. These also can go dormant in the winter. So these, again, are not for beginners because they are a little finicky. They are prone to root rot. So how I water mine is from the bottom, and I put in like about an inch. You measure with your finger, about an inch, the tip of your index finger. And I put it in, and here's basically what I use. Sometimes I can put more plants in here with this one and another plant. But I'll put it in the middle and then fill it up about an inch and give it about 15, 20 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. It'll use everything it needs, and this is probably one of the best ways to water it. That way you reduce the risk of overwatering. And these also are tropical plants, so you want to make sure that they are in warm. Keep it humid, keep it warm, and don't dry it out. So that's one way to prevent dormancy. So if you notice it is going dormant though, don't panic, don't throw it out, because as long as the roots are still alive, it should come back. So, and also these, I will show how to propagate alocasias in a video later on. But again, these are really, really unique. And so I don't recommend spritzing or misting the leaves. It can cause disease. To keep it moist, I use a humidifier, or you could put rocks with some water and set it on top of there. That also helps create humidity. Keep it away from drafts. They like indirect bright light. If you don't have indirect bright light, use grow lights. They actually do very well with grow lights. I have 3 of them. And you're going to want to fertilize these. I always recommend liquid fertilizer on all my plants because it's less harsh, and I always use half strength. That way I do not burn anything up. The other thing is I recommend only fertilizing in the growing months, like spring and summer. Usually it's about once a month. And so there is the Dragon Scale Alocasia. Again, this is a new leaf right here. It's actually bigger than all the others practically. And you may notice that once you are putting on a new leaf, it's going to use a lot more water. So that's how I can tell it's getting ready to put on a new leaf on, because it's going to suck up a lot more water and use more water. You're going to need to water it more often. How I check is I put my finger down a little deep, and it's decent. I probably could water it in the next couple of days. And if you're wondering what that white stuff is, these guys are also prone to spider mites. So I use diatomaceous earth, food grade. You can use any kind of diatomaceous earth, and it actually, I've not had spider mites on these, but I'm using that stuff to keep them at bay because I don't want them to mess with my plants. And but thank you so much again for watching my video today, and remember, for your mind, body, and soul, to play in the dirt. Bye for now.